Landing at Puraha International Airport.
We're finally here in Bali and I'm so excited. This is one of the countries I've been looking forward to the most. It coincidentally is one of the top countries on my list if I were to ever settle abroad and become an expat, where I would move to. So the plan while here is to try to visit as many locations as possible to see if I really like it or not. Hello. Hello. Hooray for snacks. You want to try it again? Getting a little bit of a circle of life lesson, also a lesson in teamwork. They're trying to carry it up the wall, but I was trying to explain to Rue that they are using teamwork to carry it back to their nest. That's what I love about world schooling. That's the whole purpose of world schooling. The concept is that the world is a school, that children don't necessarily need a formal four walls to learn. And that's it right there. We can get a lesson about what is the purpose of ants. How do they use teamwork? And the circle of life. Our little ant friends are using teamwork. We are learning that ants can lift 20 times their body weight. And these particular ants have figured out how to bring the lizard up the wall. Science! So our villa has a full kitchen, so we're going to get food. It's oil in a bag. Pretty sure you're supposed to have a container for it, but it's pretty cheap. called cornettos for 29,000 rupiah. We got bacon, other natural ham, salami. They got some frozen bacon. They have streaky bacon and back bacon. And fresh cut meats. Pork loin. 2 of those run about 16,000. Strip sirloin, other kind of beef. Beef topside for 30,000. Fresh cut chicken. 2 chicken breasts about 19,000 all the way up to 35,000. Also things like chicken feet, chicken gizzards. Oh wow, R.I.P. Wow. Wanting to taste kopi luwak? They got it here for 120,000. I'm not that adventurous though. So, for all of you coffee connoisseurs out there, I know that instant coffee is kind of blasphemy, but you know what? We found some really delicious instant coffee. Plus, I'm just a sucker for coffee that already has cream and sugar in it. This is just an example of some of the instant coffees here. Java, there's all kinds. And they all come in these individual packs that you can just put in your coffee. Also, if you're looking for something a little closer to pure, they have these drip coffee bags. It's almost like a tea bag, but for coffee. They've got a whole selection of those that run about 98,000. Have super fancy kopi luwak for 277, or the exclusive Bali. Now we are on the hunt for some snacks. They got some sweet potato chips, tempeh chips, barbecue chips. Lay's has so many different flavors overseas, like original fried chicken,
Roasted corn,
honey buttered, roasted corn. Hey, corn flavored.
Cheetos, barbecue Cheetos.
Although we had seaweed french fries and they were not terrible. Barbecue Cheetos that are nuts. Also, if you're coming overseas and you're buying Lay's, don't just grab for what your brain and marketing execs have trained you to do. Because, you know, if you're in the States, right, and you eat chips, you would grab this thinking this is sour cream and onion, right? Boom, no, it's nori seaweed. And you get home and you would be sad. And some of your premium brands, or some of your brands that you might like at home, like this, we love these, 74 in comparison with, this is another kind of snack, just an example, but 27. So things that you're used to eating at home,
Churros are 45.
you're gonna pay a premium if you can even find them. We've been looking everywhere for popcorn, but this is only cheddar. We can't find regular popcorn. Like cuttlefish, they got chips. How about honey prawns? Garlic peanuts. Too bad I'm allergic. That sounds delicious. Here is our spread for breakfast, and oh, that view. So we have some potatoes, some fruit, yogurt, bacon, toast, coffee, and some guava juice. Hello, Mr. Frog. And a little bit of fun. And our froggy friend has joined us on the patio and is on the sofa. Nature. Yeah, we decided we're gonna help Mr. Bug out. We're gonna catch and release him. I don't know what kind of bug he is. He is gross looking. You ever had a day like this, Beetle? We tried to help him. He was over there about 2 feet away. We flipped him right side up. And here he is, back, 2 feet later, back on his back. Man, little Beetle, I hope you have a better day. Another trip back to the airport. We are on our way to Gili. I was unaware that you actually had to either catch a ferry, which infants can't ride on, or you have to catch a plane. So thankfully we got a last minute flight. We are flying on Garuda, Indonesia. We're going to check in.